Hello guys, today I'm gonna review my new Life smartphone along with the MyJioNet connection. This is the Life Flame 2, as you can see here. Yesterday I bought the phone in the evening, and by today afternoon, the SIM card was activated. So you can see here the build number Life smartphone LS40050606. This is the Flame 6 version, the minimum version of the Flame. I basically bought it for the net connection for the unlimited net Jio that Jio is providing. So let's first do a speed test of the GeoNet. I'm presently at Kolkata near Dum. So let's see how it performs here. This is indoors. I'm in my first floor of my building. I performed a speed test outdoors, just outside my flat. So here you can see the 4G connection of GeoNet is providing download speed of up to 29.49 Mbps and upload is up to 5.75. It's pretty good. I should say better than the Airtel 4G connection over here. Sorry. Let's begin the test. Yeah, so you can see it's in indoors also, it's around 20 Mbps the download speed. Let's see what the upload is giving. Yeah, pretty impressive. Upload speed is about 5.21 Mbps and download speed is about 20.96 Mbps. That's pretty good. Now, basically, I'm using this phone for the hotspot creation, and Jio is providing unlimited net. Yeah, one more thing. There are many doubts in the minds of the users about the unlimited net they are providing. So I would like to clear some of them. For example, as soon as my SIM was activated, so I just made a call to my another number. So according to them, they're giving me unlimited data, voice data, as well as net data, unlimited SMS. So you can see in the MyJio app. Initially, they're showing recharge option and the usage option, but as soon as they're updating the app, I mean to say, as soon as they're getting the information from my device, so the recharge option will be gone since it is in the preview offer. So here you can see the recharge option is not there because it is in preview offer. Enjoy Geo preview offer, complimentary unlimited access to digital life till 21st October 2016. That's exactly till 3 months. Here they're giving unlimited HD voice, unlimited HD video, unlimited data, unlimited SMS, and unlimited apps. So the balancer is showing 00. That's just because I'm under the unlimited offer. Let's see in the So yeah, in today only it's showing 501 MB, but I guess I've used more than 700 MB today because I'm using hotspot from this device. Okay, so the doubts are there. Are they providing really unlimited data? Because in some Samsung users, they are showing in the MyJio app that it is only up to 75 GB, and also some of them they are showing it is up to 25 GB. So let me clear that thing. If you buy a live smartphone, so as soon as you activate the SIM, so they will be verifying the phone by the IMEI number and the build number of the phone. So in that case, they will be coming to know that you're using a live smartphone or Samsung one. So if it is a live smartphone, then they will be giving you truly unlimited data. Here it is showing this truly unlimited data. There will be no speed capping, no 25 GB limit, no 75 GB limit. It will be truly unlimited data, unlimited voice call, unlimited video, and unlimited SMS till 3 months. But in the preview offer for the Samsung phones, that is A5, A7, Note series, In the Samsung phones, this is in Note series A5, A7, and all those S7 Edge, all those series. In those sets, they are giving only up to 75 GB of data. Now, when you are installing the only the MyJio app, that is, let me show you. Yeah. So when you install only this MyJio app, and then you try to generate the barcode and you get the SIM and insert it in your phone. So in that case, you'll be getting only 2 GB or rather 25 GB of data. Now to get avail the 75 GB of data, you need to press this install all button so that all these apps will be downloaded from the Play Store. And once all these apps are downloaded, then you will automatically see that the data limit has been extended up to 75 GB. But they are claiming that the 75 GB is only a estimated value, that is they're just showing 75 GB, but in reality you'll be getting 75 GB of high speed 4G data, and once the 75 GB quota has been over, you'll be getting 3G unlimited. Yes, it is 3G unlimited, so I guess 3G unlimited is also not bad, and that too in 3000 sorry, that too in the 75 GB quota for 3 months is quite good. Now what about the 25 GB data which some are getting? Now that is actually the SIMs provided to the retailers or the distributors or the Reliance employees having the Samsung sets. Those SIMs are having only 25 GB of data limit. I would rather say the retailers are having less than that. Retailers are claiming that they are getting only 10 GB of data. So I hope I have cleared all your doubts that in the Samsung phones we'll be getting up to 75 GB, but that too also unlimited, 3G unlimited. But since no one has yet crossed the 75 GB limit, so I cannot even confirm it. This is according to the words of the customer care. But the customer care is claiming that for the live smartphones, we are getting truly unlimited 4G. I can use 200 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB, any amount of data. Now, one more thing. Today, as soon as I made a call, as soon as my SIM was activated, so I made a call. So just then, I just got a message from the call that just after the call that voice call used 1 minute 25 second and balance is 98 minutes 0 second. So why would they show this if I had unlimited voice call? So I also clarified this one. So they said that as soon as my SIM is activated, I am getting a complimentary offer for the SIM, which actually every user is getting. I'm getting a complimentary offer. In that offer, I'm getting 100 minutes of voice HD call, 100 free SMS, and 2 GB of 4G data. But within 5 to 6 hours, as soon as they verify that my handset is a Life smartphone, it is from the brand Life. So within 5 to 6 hours, they are activating the truly unlimited preview offer for me. That is truly unlimited voice call and truly unlimited 4G data. So here's my quick review of the Geo network. Yes, they are providing good service. The speed is quite good. In raw download speed, that is from direct from the browser, you will be getting 1.5 to 2 Mbps of download, and I have not yet tested in the torrent. So I hope in the torrents also I'll be getting around 6 to 7 Mbps. So thank you for watching this video, and I am also posting another video for the unboxing of the Life Flame 6. You can see the unboxing. Okay, thank you.